Make sure showing off the fit. That's what the whole plan was. But then you was like, let me start sniffing leaves. So I'm gonna give you the signal. Both hands on the bar. Right? Look back at the cars. Dumb idea. Can your legs fit through this?
What?
That's one of them. You can cross now. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to another, I don't know what this is called today, but anyway, I have a client that I'm meeting today, and we are going to be doing some birthday photography because their birthday was yesterday, but it was too rainy for us to actually do anything, so we decided to move it back. He's going to be here in like a minute or so. I have no idea. As per usual, parking in this city is abysmal at times, but luckily I found the free parking, so yeah, we're gonna do that. Birthday portrait, cool stuff, and more cool stuff, and probably more cool stuff. I'm not too sure what else I want to do other than cool stuff. I think that's about it. Other than that, let's go. Left hand in pocket. Look out. Keep your body right there. Look out. Hold it. Turn around. Right here. Do it again. Hold it, hold it. Hold it, hold it. Now stop right here. Now let me, look at the city. Right here. There we go, that's perfect. Stay right there. Let me get it right here. Let me see. Get closer. Right there, that's perfect. Pull back right there. There we go. The city in your eyes.
Ooh, that's just...
Yeah! I told you. As soon as they pass the line in front of you, you're gonna start walking. Right there. Keep going, keep on going. All right, that was good. Now, hey, get back to your. Let's do that right now. Yeah. Yeah, keep on doing it, yeah. Keep on going right there. All right, that's perfect. I like that. I'm in the shot. Look straight at me, but I'm about to move. All right, so just stay right there. All right, go ahead, smile. Boom, boom. There you are. Yeah, I'm getting lens flares too. I like that. All right, get the smile. All right. I'm gonna come this way. You stay right there. Shoulder to shoulder. Heel. Flatten the arms. Boom. Your jacket's just a little thicker. I'm used to doing this with blazers. That's why. But it's all right. Let's see how it looks. Wow, that's perfect right there. Hold it. You holding the baby. Hold it. 1, 2, and 3. Pop, pop, pop. All right. So, sit right here. Ah, there we go. Yeah, right there. Right there. Right there, right there. There.
3 hours later.
Wait, why you take jacket off? Huh? What? Alright, hold it, do that. Now look up at me. Hold it. Stay right there. All right, both hands on bar. Boom. Let's see. Right there. Now look up, right there. I'm gonna let them move. Now I'm gonna get a wide shot out in the street. Right there, right there. Right there. All right.
Give me jumping over.
You just had to say that, didn't you? You had to say that, didn't you? All right.